Hello, teacher. My name is Daniela Geraldine Alarcón Acuña. I am studying agronomy at SEAT Tunja. I live in Tocaboyacá. The topic it shows to take care of the environment is how the routes things in the house. Next, it will talk about how to make acute wheel soda bullets. And very practical way to reduce plastic bottles and prevent pollution. First you break the bottle and the seed of the light and you can hide it and it should be to make it look pretty and because it made some cat ears. Afterwards, we make holes under the bolt so that the water can fill and the rods contain oxygen. We want the substrate either side or pit, and we plant all plants in my course I will plant some chard seeds. I will plant final is if we want to hang our pot, we make 2 holes on the sides and add with our cable. And this was beautiful final result. Thank teacher. Bye.